In this video, I'm going to show you how to generate an AI video in Canva. First, go to the Apps tab on the left side of your screen. Then go to the search bar and type Magic Media. Click the Magic Media apps and choose Video to start. Now you can type what you want to create in the prompt box. If you are stuck, you can also click Inspire Me and the AI will generate a prompt for you. After that, click Generate Video button and wait until the process is done. Once the generate process is done, you can click this play button to see the preview. If you are happy with the result, you can click this video to add it to your canvas. If you are not, you can click this generate again button to get a new version. For this demonstration, I'll just use this video. Then adjust the size and position like this. Okay, now let's click this play button to see the final result. So that's how to generate AI video in Canva. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any questions in the comment section below and I will try my best to help you out.